In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Nintendo Switch 2 system transfer not working. This is Miguel from Just Pause, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, go ahead and restart both consoles completely. You can do this by holding down the power button until you see these list of options here. Go ahead and select power options and press restart. But after they both turn back on, make sure both consoles have a stable internet connection and keep them close together during the transfer. Next, you're going to update both systems. On your original Switch, you can go to System Settings, go down to System, and press System Update. Do the same on your Switch 2. Nintendo requires the latest system version for the transfer process. Also, make sure you're signing into the Switch 2 with the same Nintendo account linked to the user on your original Switch. Then go ahead and try the transfer again with both consoles nearby and, if possible, close to your Wi-Fi router. If you receive an error such as 2002-6000 or 2217-0001, Nintendo recommends powering both consoles off by holding the power button for about 12 seconds, or just going to power options and pressing power off, turning them back on, then cancel the stuck transfer by holding either stick together with the plus or minus button for about 2 seconds. After that, Nintendo recommends setting up the Switch 2 normally and transferring your save data separately instead of retrying the full system transfer. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.